Hi, I am Siewk. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This week's episode, we will be learning how to make healthy lotus paste mooncake. For this recipe we'll be using honey and olive oil. Here's the list of ingredients needed for the lotus paste filling. To begin, let's soak 125 gram of pre-halved lotus seeds overnight. Next, wash and drain the lotus seeds well. Cook the lotus seeds over medium heat with a cup of water, until it turns soft. As alternative, you can also cook in pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Using a food processor, blend cooked lotus seed into fine paste. Then, drizzle in 85 gram of honey. Heat your nonstick pan. And, add 125 ml of olive oil. Then, add lotus paste and honey mixture. Cook over medium heat. Keep stirring until mixture is foldable consistency. Shape filling into balls, weighing 23 grams each. Next, we shall prepare the mooncake dough. Here are the ingredients. Prepare them in 2 batches. Add 72 grams of all-purpose flour. Then, add 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 of a teaspoon of water. Followed by 18 grams of olive oil. Next, add 36 grams of honey. Mix well until combined, for around 1 minute. Remember not to overmix the dough. Set the dough aside. Keep the dough covered for 1 hour. Shape dough into a ball, weighing 30 grams each. Line baking tray with parchment paper. Flatten dough with hand or rolling pin. Place lotus paste filling in the center of the dough. Wrap the dough around the ball of filling. Slowly push dough upwards. Ensure all cracks are sealed. Place the filling wrapped dough in the mold. Then, press down the mooncake mold firmly. Transfer to baking tray. Bake in preheated oven at 175 degrees, for 5 minutes. While baking, prepare egg wash. Add 1 tablespoon of water and crack 1 egg. Mix well. Remove tray from oven. And brush the lightly baked mooncake with egg wash. Then, bake for another 4 minutes. When it's done, brush the mooncake with egg wash for the second time. Then, bake for another 4 minutes or until golden brown. Cool the mooncake on the rack and store it in an airtight container. After 3 days, the mooncake skin will turn soft. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.